a little blood-stained coat of vitreous. So this person basically needs a vitrectomy, remove the lensectomy, and stitch the new lens either to the iris or the scar, depending on how things look.
Okay. Dr. Bala, what clinical factors would make you go to the OR sooner than later with this patient?
So, is this an urgent case? Not really. There's no lens corneal touch, okay, and there's no vitreous cornea touch. So you can schedule this routinely. If there's lens corneal touch, you want to do it immediately, as soon as you can. If there's vitreous cornea touch, try to do it, within a few days or a week or so. Yeah, if the lens capsule is intact, do you have to take the lens out? Is that your question? So, yeah, that's a very good question, and basically, you may not have to, because as long as the lens capsule is intact, couching has a long and distinguished history, and basically this person had couching. The lens was knocked back into the posterior segment, and they might do okay, but you're going to do a vitrectomy, give your retina guy some more work to do. I'm going to take the lens out. Okay, this is another
You're done? Finish? All day for the day. Alright. See you later. Venus.